How's it going? This is Blah Blah, and I got this BFF bracelet from a friend. So today, I'm gonna teach you how to make one on a loom. You wanna set up your loom like this, and we'll only be using these 2 pegs. The supplies you need is bands, pony beads, and letter beads. But you could use any beads as long as they have a hole big enough for the bands to slide through. Links to everything is in the video's description. The first band you put on top is gonna be double looped. Hold it with both hands, twist it, and fold it onto itself. Then place this on top of the right peg and slide it down. If you find this too hard, ask an adult for help. Grab the next band in the sequence and place it on top of the 2 pegs. Using your hook, grab both ends of the first band and bring it up over the center and slide this band down. Now it's time for beads. Grab your next bead and band and pinch the band so that the tip is pointy like a needle. Poke this band through the hole in the bead and push it through until the bead is in the middle. Then grab both ends of this band and carefully put it on top of the 2 pegs. Now take your hook and bring up both ends of that bottom band up and over the top, center, and push the bead down. We're gonna do the same thing again. Pinch and slide the band through the bead. Grab both ends and place over the pegs. Then bring both bottom bands up side by side. And push down. Again, pinch, poke, place on top, bring bottoms up and push down. I like to prepare all my beads so it's easier. So let me do that first, then continue. We're just gonna repeat that same cycle. Place on top, bring bottoms up and push down. Place on top, bring bottoms up and push down. When you feel like the bracelet is long enough, you're gonna bring both ends of the last band to 1 peg. Using your left hand, hold the end of the bracelet sturdy and use your other hand to grab the band on the left peg and bring it back over the right peg. Now grab a seat clip. First, clip the start of the bracelet. Slide the seat clip in between both ends so the bands are in between the groove. Then pull up until they slide through. Now you want to loop the bracelet back to itself so it's straight and has no twist. Hold the bracelet down with your left hand, then grab the C-clip with your right and hook both ends of the band on the peg. Once you know you have both ends, you can pull it off the loom, and that's it! It's finished! Here's what it looks like side by side with another BFF bracelet. It's easy enough for me to do. Thanks for watching! Blah, blah, blah! Place on top, bring bottoms up and push down.